Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to put a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two best calorie tracker, which is Myfitnesspal Vs Macrofactor. So let's dive into it. MyFitness is one of the most popular calories tracking app, offering a huge food database, barcodes, scanning, meal logging, and integration with many fitness devices. It's user-friendly and great for beginners who want a simple way to track calories and macros while also connecting with a community for motivation. Macrofactor, however, takes calorie tracking to a more personalized level with its adaptive algorithm that adjusts your calories target based on your progress. It's designed for people serious about hitting specific fitness or weight goal without the risk of undereating. So if you want a widely used, easy to navigate app with lot of integration, MyFitness is the way to go. But if you want data driven adaptive calories tracking for optimal results, Macrofactor is the best choice in that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.